Oh yes. Okay, so trying to do a bit of a run with this car, but there's debris everywhere from a storm that we had a few days ago. Man, this thing slides good in the dust here. I'm going to burn through those tyres in no time. And I got to watch out for the curves too. This is on 4S. Oh! Oh, my face just had something stuck there in the wheels maybe. Why does it sound like... Yeah, what is that sound? Oh, there's our first stack. Lucky it was the rear end. All is good, all is good. Did I break anything? I don't think so. I didn't break anything, did I? Oh, I think I did. I think I broke a little bit of that rear fender. The splitter at the back. Oh, jeez. It's not too bad. It's very slidey around here. This is not going to be an ideal spot for 6S. Because this thing's just way too quick. There's not much grip on here because of the dust. But it does look good. So, handbrake. Gotta remember that there's a handbrake. That's the handbrake. Again. Comes to a halt, look at that. So I've got that on a button on my radio. Ooh. I just get no grip on this tarmac around here. Alright, let's go on the road over here, on this little driveway here. Now there's a lot of gravel here as well, so hopefully we won't mess it up too much. There's just no grip. Man, on 4S this thing is fast, so fast. Woo-hoo. These tyres just don't grip at all, not around here. But I guess in a way that's what they're meant to do, because it's a Hoonigan car, right? So you wouldn't want them to be super grippy, otherwise you wouldn't be able to slide it around. Now I have figured out that you can change the headlights, so there you go. So that's really cool. Have a look at that. So you can do all sorts of crazy stuff with the headlights. And there you go, that's just on. This thing is so much fun. Now for batteries, I'm actually running some China Hobbyline 5200 milliamp, 100 C pack. And they seem to be okay so far. Oh man, this thing drifts good. It's so fun to drift it though. Especially through the dust because it looks like smoke. Woohoo! For a street passer, this thing's alright. Oh, oh. Yeah, come on. Hold it. Oh, spun it too hard. Woo, just made that. This is going to be out of control on 6S. Oh, perfect drift. Getting the hang of this. Oh, yes. Definitely getting the hang of this. Oof. Ooh, cutting the fine, cutting the fine. Come on. Oh. Yeah, I've definitely taken out one of the rear splitters. One of the fins on that rear splitter, I should say. Yes. Man, this thing is good. Just to drift around like this. It's fast as. Lots of power just on 4S. Heaps good. Just realised that I had the zoom in a bit too much, so I don't know if this has turned out any good before or not. I'll do a couple more here. Man, this thing. Let's see if I can nail a couple more drifts here. Oh yes, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, so good. Here we go. Turn in. Drift, 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 drift. Hold it out of there. Oh, so good. Ooh. Almost bucketed it up. Okay, let's come around here. Jeez. I'm going to need new tyres by the end of this, I know it. Didn't quite carry the speed over the turn. Alright, let's try it again. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's so good when you get it right. That suspension is very bouncy though. Could use a tune. Oh, that's it, LVC, we're done, we're cooked. That's it for the 4S running video of this thing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll speak to you all next time.